Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial we will be going over how you, as a member of our partner program, can upload the images of your items, allowing us to use those images to create your auction. In broad strokes, what we'll be doing is using an application on Google called Google Drive that will allow you to upload your images to a shared drive on the web. It's actually a folder that we create here on this end and share with you. You can then upload your images to that shared folder. We can then retrieve them from there and use them to create your auction. This is a temporary situation. We are adding the functionality to the auction software that would allow you, as a partner, to upload your pictures directly to the auction software, eliminating the need for this step. However, that software is not yet ready, so in the meantime we'll be using Google Drive as the means to allow you to upload your pictures for us to use. Obviously, since we're using a Google application, you will have to have a Google login, so you'll have to have a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you simply go to google.com as we show here, click the sign in button, and you can sign in. If you don't have a Google account or a Gmail account, you will need to create one. However, it's very, very simple. You do the same thing. You go to google.com, click sign in. On the sign in screen right here underneath the sign in opportunity is a link called create an account. Click that link. Here you'll just enter your name, first and last name. If you want to create a Gmail account, then go ahead and create your Gmail account. If, like me, you'd prefer to use your current email address, click this link right here, and then you simply put your current email address in there as the email address for your account. Your email address is also your login ID, just so you know. You then create your password, confirm your password, put in your age, your gender. You have to put in a mobile phone because they will send you a text to confirm that that is actually your phone. Enter the little I am not a robot numbers, click I agree, and then hit next step. That'll allow you to create your account. Once your account's created, you just need to sign in. Now we have a temporary account that I've created to show the demonstration of how this works. So I'll just put that account information in here, put in your password, click sign in. Now the only real difference once you're signed in is that instead of saying you here, the word you, it has your name here. Now the name for this account is Demo Dave, which is why it shows demo. But once you're logged in, you're going to see these little images or icons across the top of your screen. If you already have a Google account, you may have tons of other apps already open. It may look slightly different down here, but up here it's going to look the same. Right here, this little icon of 9 blocks is the icon for the Google Apps. Click that icon. That opens up the most commonly used icons, one of which is Google Drive. That's what we're going to use, so click Google Drive. Once the Google Drive application is done loading, you're going to see right over here a list of items. One of the items is a shared with me item. Now we will create, once you create your Google account, we will create a file for you or a folder for you that you will have access to upload your pictures to, and then we will share that folder with you. So if you click shared with me, you will see that folder right here. So this is Demo Dave's picture folder. If this was your folder, it would be your name and your picture folder. Click on that picture folder to go inside it. You're going to know you're in that folder when the name of the folder transfers to the very top and you see this little icon right here that says drop files here, or use the red button to upload. There's 2 ways to upload your pictures to Google Drive. You can either click this button here, which will allow you to upload the files or the folders by doing a search and picking the folder that you want to upload. So here I could just do the next auction folder, hit OK, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to do this? And I could hit upload and share, and they would start uploading. You can also create a folder that you can simply drag and drop. And you notice how when I drop it in there, that changes to an incoming icon. If I release, I get the same message of, are you sure you want to do this? And I would hit upload and share. Now a little note or a little hint on managing your auction pictures. I always recommend create a file folder on your computer somewhere that simply says next auction. As you're taking pictures to build your upcoming auction, put the pictures in that folder. If you have to make folders within that folder to organize them better, go right ahead. But if you simply always have the next auction folder where your pictures are going for your next auction, then they never really get lost. It also makes it a lot easier then to simply grab that entire folder and drop it here and release it. And if you hit upload and share, then that whole folder is going to get imported in, including all of the pictures that you have in there. It's just a super easy way of organizing your pictures. You can select pictures one at a time and drop them in, but if you do that, you could be doing that for hours, whereas if you just move the entire folder in, it's just one click and then you can walk away as the pictures upload. Now you can see here there's only 25 pictures that we're uploading, so it won't take very long. A typical auction would have hundreds, if not thousands, of pictures. So once you start the upload process, you can kind of walk away. May not be a bad idea if you want to just start the upload before you go to bed at night. Let it run all night. When you get up in the morning, it'll be done. That way, you're not competing for resources on your computer by trying to use it to do something else. So as it's uploading, I'll show you a couple of things. There's these little icons here. What these mean is if you hover over this one, it says Larry Morgan is the owner. Well, that's me. That means that I've created this folder, Demo Dave's picture folder, and then I've shared it with you. And then if you hover over here, it says Demo Dave can edit. That means that that folder has been shared by me with you, allowing you to edit the folder, add pictures, remove pictures. You can treat that like any other folder that you would normally treat on your computer. Once the upload's complete, it's going to say Upload Complete in the top here, and we can go ahead and close that. Now, you should see the folder, and we do, Next Auction in Demo Dave's Picture folder, and we see it. If we click on that folder, we're going to see in here all the pictures that we just uploaded. At this point, you're done. It may not hurt just to scroll through to make sure that everything that you thought should be there is there, but this is now finished. I can now access these pictures and use them to create your auction. One important thing to note is that you really shouldn't delete pictures from the Google Drive. Once your auction is complete, once you've put all the pictures in your folder and you've uploaded your folder to Google Drive, let us delete the folder from Google Drive rather than trying to do it yourself. That way you never delete the folder before we've finished getting all the pictures out. Once we get all the pictures out of Google Drive, once we've created your auction, created all of the lots, everything is now in the auction software, we will then come back and delete this out of Google Drive or remove it from Google Drive, making it clear for you to upload again when you're ready for another auction. And then at this point we're done. So you can just click on this little link or hover over this link here and go sign out. And you have now imported or uploaded all of the pictures for your auction. We will take it from there and take those pictures and build your auction for you.